When I think about the way we used to be, when I think about the things you took from me, I know that I am so
Hi guys, this is Annette from Simple Life with Ann. So today I am going to clean and decorate for my husband's birthday, which just happens to be on Valentine's Day. So as you go through this video, just watch and enjoy. You have some cleaning motivation, some organizational motivation, and a little bit of decor. Not too much of a decor, but a little bit of decor. So I use those little green bins to hold all of my spices. It's easier to pull out when I need them and to find things rather than shuffling through all the things in the cabinet.
Always think of you when spring comes, like it's something in the air at that time. Don't know why. Always dream of you when spring comes. It's like the heat on my skin takes me back to the time met you on a Friday, halfway out at the door of the club.
Right now I'm just wiping up my countertops with my disinfectant spray and wiping down my stovetop, just making sure that it's nice and clean. I'm now clearing my dining area. Those are the microfiber cloths I found at Walmart. I'm trying them out. They seem to work pretty well. I prefer the ones from Home Depot. But now I'm just putting away the extra waters that I have. And I don't like seeing the water bottles laying around or laying about. So I stick it in that basket. And it holds a ton of water, and when I put it in my shelf, it's like not even noticeable. It looks really good. I'm on to cleaning out my IKEA unit right here. That's where I keep the waters, and I am just dusting, making sure that everything looks really clean at the moment.
Looking for someone to save me.
In case you're wondering, those tree mug holders are there because I don't have a lot of space in my kitchen. I have a pretty small kitchen, and I try to just keep the bare minimum in my kitchen. But I love these tree mug holders because it goes with my decor, and I think it just makes the countertop look so pretty. I don't always use my disinfectant cleaner on my wood surfaces, but occasionally for a quick wipe I will. And since it has alcohol in it, it dries a little bit quicker. But every now and then I also use a wood cleaner to just keep it polished and to keep my wood surfaces from drying out.
Crazy, staying inside in my bed, wishing that someone could wake me up. Yeah, binge watching romantic movies, the ones with the happy end, hoping that someday I'll find the one. So give me pain, give me pleasure, I don't mind, it's whatever. All I want is someone to love. Ease my mind, give me headache, I don't care, it's whatever. All I want is someone to love. La 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 la. All I want is la 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 la. All I want is la 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 la. All I want is la 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 la. So give me pain, give me pleasure, I don't mind, it's whatever.
So I love gnomes. I have gnomes for Christmas, and I found these cute Valentine Day gnomes for the home. I didn't take them out earlier, I just took them out for my husband's birthday, but I think next year I'm going to delve into decorating for Valentine's Day a little bit earlier, just so that I can enjoy the decor. But aren't they cute? So after filling up my napkin holder with some cute Valentine Day napkins, I am now going to put up these little signs that I found at the Walmart. They're so cute, these little wooden signs, and I'm going to use those to display around the dinner table. I got that little heart display for the center of the table, but it ended up not going with my decor, so even though I'm putting it together here, I ended up not using it. So I found these 2 jars at Walmart, and they have little hearts on top of them for the lids, and I got the Sour Patch conversation hearts and filled up the jars and used that to decorate the table. Guys, might I tell you, these candies did not last long. As a matter of fact, there were a few times those jars were missing, and I found them in my kids' room, and even my husband had it in the office. So it was kind of hard to keep track or keep that tablescape looking nice and pretty. So now I am working with these candle holders or lantern holders. These were given to my husband from an old church that he used to work in. And I found them and I said, hey, why not? Why not decorate them and use them in my decor? So what I'm doing right now is cleaning them. And I'm using these flowers, artificial flowers, silk flowers that I got from Amazon. And they look amazing. And I'm going to use that to decorate the inside. Now, even though I'm using this decor for his birthday, this is actually a preview to my spring decor. So I figured, well, flowers, you know, Valentine's Day, spring, it's all kind of mixed and mingled together. So why not just decorate this? And these are one of those pieces that I am going to keep on till spring, possibly the summer, unless I change out the colors of my flowers. So right now I'm just arranging the flowers inside of the lanterns, just trying to see and play with it to see how best to decorate these. And I'm trying to be careful because when you close the doors, sometimes the flowers get squished in there. So I'm just figuring out the arrangement so that I can display these on my mantle.
I don't know how to enjoy it. Every time you tell me it's not there, I suppose that we won't stand a chance. I love how you read my mind when I'm lying. I'm trying to be right the whole time. You don't buy it. I've tried it.
You can totally see that I am on the struggle bus right now. These lanterns are old and I have to be very careful with them. So the doors slide out, sometimes the glass slides out. So I'm trying to be very careful when I close them and I place them inside, the flowers inside of the lanterns.
You don't buy it. I've tried it.
So this is what my dinner table looks like after I slightly decorated it for Valentine's Day / my husband's birthday. Look at the gnomes. Aren't they cute? Each gnome represents each one of us in our family. Each one of us got to pick out the gnome that they wanted. So if I collect gnomes, you'll always notice that they come in 4s, and that's because each gnome represents one of us. But look at how adorable. Now this is my mantle. I added a Happy Valentine's Day sign. I could have added a birthday sign, but like I said, my husband's birthday's on Valentine's Day, and look at those lanterns, guys. They turned out beautiful, and I'm so excited because they go with the decor right now, but I am so ready for the spring. Look at how pretty they look, and if anything, I can always change out the colors, but I like muted neutral colors like that anyway. I'm not one of those people that likes really bright colors, so chances are I'm just going to keep it in there through the summer. But look at how nice. Very simple, nothing extraordinary, nothing extravagant. Simple decorations here and there just for my hubby. So guys, thank you for joining me, and don't forget to keep it on the simple side.